So what's up, y'all? It's your boy Coyote 10, and we back with another one. So today we got my boy Frank, and then my boy Junior, right there, and then my car. So today we are installing this forged carbon steering wheel on my Mustang. And I know last time I told y'all guys that I did a little something to the car. So I'm about to show you guys what I did. Here it is, y'all. Yes, sir. I pro charged Monica, man. Yeah, man. Right now we just installing it, so we gotta obviously unbolt the battery for the airbag for safety, precautions. We got my boy Frank doing the el jale, the work. We paid him in chelas, a typical Mexican person knows the skull already. Damn, the other monster, man. Damn, who you beat so far? Tell him what you eat for snacks, man. You beat Vaughn, right? Mm-hmm. That was a big snack. Damn. Oh God, we all three of us calling out scats.
I know that 15 to 17 can handle.
Damn, Frank, just like that.
I mean, I just got an intake. That's it.
If y'all see and notice, I don't know if I uploaded a video with my wheels on it, but he took over them. And I have bought a drag pack, and he took over them too. He has them. He hasn't put them on yet. I'm gonna go around and show y'all the steering wheel and shit. Yeah, it's a mess, guys. Fuck it. It's been sitting for like a week.
It's been a while. You gotta push. Yeah, you gotta push it in there. You gotta push it in there.
Sheesh. I did buy it used, some broke nigga shit. You said what?
You got your ass imprinted in it.
Hell yeah, bro. You know how much I drive this bitch? I drove this bitch all into Missouri, bro. What do you expect? Come on, Frank. Tell me what's done to yours.
Just slight modifications on the exhaust, intake, and a tool, and that's it.
That's it, man. That's it. Simple. And he's already snacking on the scats.
Been snacking on the scats.
You want about
the Hell no.
I mean, I'll let you know when I get the same mods as K-Von. Then we'll see what's up.
Cams. And it tuned by Vaughn himself. Which, I don't know, man. That timing is off for sure on his. No cap. He be messing around with too much timing on his car. Ay, ¿no vas a tomar? These niggas like these nasty ass things, bro. Like, what the hell? Those micheladas. This shit's nasty as fuck.
I'm trying it.
And it's nasty. It's decent.
It's a 1 out of 10.
Damn.
I like that mango one better.
He's like, I'm gonna chase it with the Red Bull. I got to. Damn, that's crazy.
2 underneath for me.
Damn, bro. It's like dead ass Christmas Eve. There's no fucking snow. Weather's not even cold. Well, it's not even that cold. That shit crazy. Hey, that's crazy. When y'all say que este estaba de allá de cagón, I was over there fucking waiting for y'all, bro. And I fucking slept still, nigga. I fucking took a power nap and shit. That's crazy. No lo maltratan, pobrecito.
¿Dónde vas?
Hell no.
It's okay, Junior.
What is fucking little spring?
I'm telling you, that bitch is a bitch.
Man. It's been like
3 hours.
3 hours, bro, and we still can't find this little pin or spring. Ay, ay, ay. And not telling that I would do it, I would try it, but I don't know what the hell I'd be looking at.
Someone must have crashed this bitch or something.
No, chill out, chill out.
Rebuild title?
Rebuild title. Some slight.
Shit, probably. No wonder. That's probably why I got it cheap. Oh, we got a sheriff in town. Fuck you looking at? Hell yeah.
Parked on the sidewalk.
I don't know. I don't think so.
I hope not. Look at
Dude, can we be drinking?
Huh?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I mean, this is your property.
To be honest.
Yeah, no, but we still get in trouble though for parking on the sidewalk, technically.
Yeah. So they got called for a domestic.
Go start your car real quick, G.
I ain't trying to get a ticket while I'm shit.
Oh, they're pulling up on this dude right here.
Oh, he about to take off on y'all. No cap.
You take my stank. Look at me. Yeah, get out the car. You ain't driving, cuz.
I won't be doing it.
Shit, I want to.
Well, I can't get this shit out, by the way.
What the hell? Damn, but that car pulled up and just parked there. And then he called the cops? That's crazy.
His neighborhood watchway.
Nah.
These guys with the Mustangs.
Nah, look, he probably got kicked out of his crib or something.
Nah, found the side nigga at the crib.
Got into it with his bitch. The bitch kicked
Oh,
him out.
God.
and shit.
Started beating her ass. Then the lights turned on. Okay. All right, Polly.
Hey, now we got some more light at least.
Oh, God.
Is this me? That shit looks like me, no?
Oh, yeah?
It might. Who you take a L to now?
Nobody.
Damn, you took it now?
That's another
Shit.
Mustang, though.
Let me find out.
Yeah, no,
¿Te fuiste at the rave with the Mustang?
Yeah, he should.
Damn, let me find out.
Fear one.
Damn, let me
That
find
shit was
out.
raining, bro. I
Bro, let
couldn't
me
even
find
push
out.
that
Let me
bitch.
find out.
I couldn't even push
Let me find that record of you. Your ass got smoked. Clapped.
Yeah, there ain't nobody got a video of me getting smoked looking.
I do.
And make
Alright,
sure,
but
make sure
your
you.
shit-
Oh no, I have one too.
Your shit full bolt time. You feel me? I only got a tune in the intake. I only got a tune in the intake. And that driver mod, you feel me?
Hey
That be
Frank, it's
50
okay,
gears.
I got
man.
the same thing. All I got is just headers.
Alright, race me when you get a manual. Let's see who should better.
I bet y'all still shit better.
Ooh. Oh.
Who I know they got a manual Mustang?
Wooby, Jay.
Shit, whoever.
I bet y'all
Put the
still.
motherfucker in the seat.
I don't know what the fuck
I
happened.
won't miss third gear either.
Bro.
I didn't miss that when we were coming over here. Where
Hey
I
Junior,
went sideways.
remember I told you I ordered that that little LED light?
Yeah.
For the
The reverse.
no, not the reverse.
The brake light, no, the third.
No, it was for the for me to start recording and shit with it.
Oh yeah.
Bro, that shit bright as fuck.
Really?
Hell yeah. I bet.
Bro, I could
Damn.
swear I felt the fucking spring. I kept feeling it.
You don't feel it?
I felt it, but it fucking.
Did you push it?
I tried.
No, don't push. Did you push the airbag?
It's still loud.
Alright, what to say? Don't tell me you fucking push the bitch back in.
Once they put the trouble, you think I'm gonna push that bitch back? I have mine right here. Like that way I can just.
Damn, look.
Oh, let's pick window.
I don't know why he parked there though. He could have parked he could have pulled up
You should have parked right here so we can see.
to the fucking fire department and shit. Got this bitch out. My boy Frank came in clutch with it.
Already 2 in the morning.
Oh God, look at how dark. No, them motherfuckers left already.
Oh, damn. This dude says done taking a leave.
They're waiting in the corner for y'all, man. They do be waiting at the fire department, brother. Wait for me. They be waiting there. It's all
Oh,
hollow.
shit.
Now we taking off these buttons.
Trying to, at least shit.
You got all the screws out?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see. Hopefully Nico answers. Oh yeah. Let's hear this one though. Wait. Let it calm down.
It's getting louder, man. I think I'm gonna take the cats off.
I mean, I ain't gonna lie. It's not that bad.
Yeah,
not that bad. But let's see this orange man. The orange Skittle. Hold on, man. Hold on.
Hold on.
All right, go. Hell no, nigga. That shit. Last time it blew my fucking eardrums, bro. Nah, that's a car, my nigga. Nah, but you know the craziest thing, bro? If you think that shit loud, bro, my shit was super loud, bro. I promise you, if my shit was still the same way, bro, I bet you anything, bro, my shit would have been like 10 times louder than his.
That's because you had a full straight pipe. My shit, it's not full straight pipe.
No, I know, but that's what I'm saying, though. My shit was like obnoxious loud, bro.
Like, imagine this shit, like how this setup, full straight pipe.
Hell yeah.
Man, my shit be popping when I turn it off and turn it back on. That shit be loud as hell.
Damn, bro, this shit is bright as hell. This should be blinding niggas.
Yeah, you would get mad about driving, right?
I mean, like I said, you don't live here.
My shit don't even pop. Well, my shit be popping when I turn it off and turn it back on.
Oh, yeah. That's what I used to do with mine. Oh, the tick. Look at that.
Don't want to do it today. Hey, what's that tape, man?
That coyote thing.
Jeez.
Huh?
Damn. He said he don't got it, bruh.
Is your car on? I can't tell. Is it on?
I don't need to be loud. You feel me? Because it's already fast.
Yeah. My boy Frank, man. Man, I know I didn't show y'all the after, so I'm gonna show it to y'all. Look at this. Oh my God. Y'all see this? Damn, so sexy. But now I'm gonna get all the trim, forged carbon, and some other stuff. But there's some parts that I might go do like a black suede or something like that for her, but damn. I'll give y'all another rundown of the Pro Charger and whatnot. I'm gonna make a video of that tomorrow, which by the time you guys see it might be like probably like Thursday, hopefully. But for sure I'm gonna show you guys. Thanks all of you guys that show love and support, and I just want to keep growing, and man, I want to just get along with everybody in the world, man, because this world is so small, and it's just a blessing that we get to, like, you know, communicate with others and stuff around the world. And you know, we need these doors to open up for better opportunities and stuff. So man, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. See you on the next one, man.